Hey guys, the Echo Squad, and sorry we haven't posted any videos. I think it's been like 3 months when this video's posted, but I've got a new computer. We've had computer issues, and we haven't been playing Airsoft as much because it's winter, so sorry for not posting as much, and thank you for the subscribers. I know it's only 103, but still, it's a lot to us, I guess, but thanks for watching. What we were trying to do is we were going to flank them, basically, but Garrett was going to go from like an angle from the front, and I was going to go directly like an angle from behind.
You're down? Where? Huh? What? Shit. Shit. Oh my god! What? Ah! Shit!
So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It's pretty short. Just saying, this weekend we're going to Airsoft Louisville, so we'll have some footage to post after this weekend. And yeah, and I'm going to get the Operation with an Assault camera that we left there on Saturday. So see ya.